Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and in this video I would like to share with you our weekly trading review of the trading systems. I'm talking about the Divergence University trading strategies, the sRs Pro and the Triple B Pro trading systems. So I'll be reviewing the previous trading week and explain some of the trades, very important technical setups. What do you need to pay attention to when you trade with such strategies? But right before that, if you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community. Please subscribe to the channel with the subscribe button below the video. And also I invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you would enjoy from a full free VIP price action course, complete trading course on price action, real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education, very supportive, like-minded trading community, and of course, the best of our trading club. You will see and you'll discover why we are ranked at the top of the industry for so many years. To join us, please follow the link below the video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. And now I would like to go to the trading systems, the sRs, the Triple B, and the Divergence University, and to explain some of the trades here, to review them, and to basically, I want to give you very important tips on the trading setups, the way I find them, the way my team finds them, and why, to explain what stands behind them. So the good news are we are back to reviewing and we are back to trading journaling of our trading system. Since the end of last year, the last few months of last year and the beginning of this year, we did some changes in the team, and I took a break to train my next team that work with me to trade these systems. And after a little period off, I'm very happy and glad to say we are back, and we are going to track journaling every single week the ideas here. Please keep in mind this is our trading, okay? It does not any way guarantee that the only trades to choose are these ones. No, we choose it according to our parameters, according to our factors, our technical terms. These all technical terms, it's exactly what I teach in every single system. In the sRs, in a Triple B, besides the amazing trading system, you also receive the educational content. And besides that, you are also part of our community, where me and the other members share trading opportunities. So that's the first one I would like to review is the sRs. And I have to say, before I continue, it's great to be back. And after little changes we did in the team and training the next generation of traders who take the control of that together with me, it's great to be back. It's great to do that. And I hope you will find a lot of value in these videos. And to those of you who have the trading systems, this is for you. So you basically see how you can improve and how you can maximize and optimize your usage of the trading strategies, the trading systems. For those of you who don't have these systems, and if you find it useful and something that can help you in your trading, you can get them directly with the links below the video in the description or in the pinned comment, or just go directly to the website. Please keep in mind, there is a way to get them free with the brokers program we offer. You can find all the information on the website, of course. So now let's begin. I have here a few trades I want to discuss about. The first one for the sRs is the very first one, the loss in that case. But I want to explain here the idea why this trade was correct despite losing. And it's very important to understand, in every single trade you do, the fact you follow technical conditions do not guarantee any profits. Okay? It increases the odds of your trade. And in the business of trading, it's all about the odds. It's all about the probabilities. And if you do your trading with odds in your favor, that's how you improve by technical analysis. That's what I'm gonna share in this video. It's pretty much all about that. So why did I choose to go bearish on the pound franc? So the way I saw that, we are here under a bearish divergence. Let me just draw it. Where is my pen? We got here bearish divergence. And at this moment, here is what happened. We flipped, and from here, and of course the previous high here. And the way I saw that, with this pullback, I expect to see a corrective phase, ABCD or a range, but sell the rallies was my plan. When I take that into the chart, this is the idea. So on the lower time frame, what I did see here, that 3 lower highs, lower lows at the moment, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All that while we flip down, and now this low is also being broken. And the classical thing here is 3 lower highs, lower lows, ABCD correction. And look, with the breakout, we also clean the important low here. For me, it's a classical opportunity. And in that case, yes, it failed, but it does not mean that in other cases, it will not win, because such clean technical setups have between 70 to 80% success rate if applied correctly and if done properly. And this is why I wanted to show you that despite it being lost, the technical things were there. Okay, so you cannot, of course, you can know looking backwards, oh, that was a bad trade, I probably should avoid it. In real time, when you make real-time trading decisions, there is no way you know, is it going to be a winner or is it going to be a loser? And that's why it's very important you understand. In every trade you do, it's all about the odds, how to improve your timing. And the timing you improve following the trading strategy rules, but the odds you improve by technical analysis. And that's what I do with higher time frame analysis. I analyze the direction, I analyze the, I work with highs and low structures and the cycles with the multi-time frame divergences. So when I see the direction synchronized in a specific classical pattern I love to follow, I'm there. Next one I want to talk about is this gold and the beautiful buy it provided. So why I want to discuss about that, because in some cases, basically look what happens here. Gold skyrockets, as you can see, and gains massive. As you can see, classical momentum, it gains beautiful momentum upside. And what happens then? A range. So not always we would get classical ABCD. Sometimes it would be a range. And when that happens, you would want to make sure basically the previous lows, right, in the rally are not switching, are not shifting to the downside. As long as they hold, that's your good sign to continue with the trend. So what do we have here? We have classical setups on the SRS candle. SRS scan automatically scanned for you. Higher time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, 50 minutes are all lined up. And the sentiment and the momentum are also bullish. Can we ask for more? From my point of view, no. And despite the fact it's pretty slightly far away from the breakout, the momentum is still very, very, very bullish. And it's pretty much easy call. Everything rallies. All the higher time frames lined up. Sometimes there is no need to overcomplicate things, and when it's obvious and clear that the momentum is there, SRS is unbeatable in that. SRS is designed to ride trends with high momentum and sentiment. That's it. The next one I want to discuss about is the Euro Aussie sell. Again, super classical structure here, which I want to discuss about. Look, it cannot get clearer. getting lower highs, lower lows, okay, with classical ABCD correction. Look at that. So why do I want to talk about this trade? Look what happens. The previous important swing low, right, here and here, that's very strong low, been cleaned. Now, when the market retraces, we have zone of interest, the previous high, and the last high of the move down here. As soon as we retested this area, look on this spike, a rejection, classical rejection. At this moment, I understand the chances are with the downside. And this is again, 4 hour, 1 hour are all bearish. Sentiment and momentum are all bearish. Easy decision. And in that case, we also got paid and got paid well. Both targets were reached. So that's for the SRS, 3 different market conditions I wanted to explain. And what do you need to pay attention to in your trading when you apply these trading systems and you follow these the logic of these trading strategies. Okay. Next one I want to talk about would be the Triple B. So what do we have here? Also 3 trades I want to discuss. The first one is the gold, also classical buy opportunity, and I want to explain what do we have here. So follow the Triple B. We are riding with the Bollinger Bands. That's the main concept behind the Triple B. And looking at trend filters, we have 4 hour and 1 hour in the median sensitivity. We have very strong sentiment. Now, the classical thing here, which I love, is again, look at this. Trading momentum, absolutely clear. ABCD correction, absolutely clear. But besides that, pay attention to the important levels. See that? Daily pivot, previous day in the resistance zone, and weekly resistance zone as well. Become a supportive zone. We break above, we retest. Scanning a higher time frame, we are building momentum. MACD builds momentum. So again, sometimes there is no need to overcomplicate things. You got the level, you got the structure, 3 higher highs, higher lows, ABCD correction, the pivot zone hold, classical call, easy decision from my point of view. The next one would be basically 2 trades I want to discuss, and that's both S&P sells. So one of them, as you would see, would be a winner, one of them lost, and here, okay, I want to start with the profit because the loss was next one. So what do we have here? We have an absolutely powerful momentum downside. We gain the momentum, no ending divergences, nothing. It's clearly going down. Come for a retest. Now look at that, ranging correction, okay, which fails to break above the most recent high. So many candles not even managed to make any high. Easy sell. As soon as we break down, look what happens here. We start to create the lower lows as well, and easy decision for a sell, which paid. But the next one, okay, this was the first one where we write a sell. The next one is exactly the same. We got ABCD correction on a rejection zone, right? Next to pivot zone. Again, we break below that. The trending structure did not change. 3 lower highs, lower lows is there. The trend is there. No trend change in that case. However, this one didn't agree and blocked and rallied afterwards. What can we learn from that, and why do I show you that? Because again, it's a very important factor here. Can we predict in advance how the market will really behave? No. And there will be cases you will do a trade and you will profit, and there will be cases you will do a trade and you will lose, and they will technically look the same. So what? Does that mean a strategy is bad? No. Remember, in trading, you never will get 100% success rate. Never. Whoever promises you 100% success rate lies. As simple as that. What you need to aim, if you are working with average of 1-to-1 risk reward, then anything you do more than 50% success rate, you will earn money. And that's what you need to understand. With only 1-to-1 risk reward and average, anything above 50% success rate, you will make money. How can you improve 50% success rate? By following proven technical analysis methods. Okay, and that's why I wanted to share with you my review the trades and to explain so you can see the strategy with clear price structure, with clear levels, and see where and how and why do we decide to trade. Okay, we don't take every single alert. That's not the idea. The idea is to scan. You got alert, that means market conditions found for the system. You are making the analysis. You choose, okay, with clear trading structure, clear levels, bam, that's your trading opportunity. And if any of that is missing, then there is nothing to do. And that's exactly what I teach in every of my trading products. What besides the product itself, beside the system and the strategy, you get the full education, how to use that properly. The final one would be the Divergence University trading strategies. And what I want to discuss here, it's basically first one, Dow. So why do I go for a sell on Dow? So the first of all, the technical thing, okay, before the analysis, look, classical, 3 lower highs, lower lows, correction, bearish divergence on a moving average of the MACD and the histogram. But besides the trading strategy itself, I want to talk about this. So down, 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 down. Here, look at this flip. So that's my favorite style. 4-hour chart, bearish divergence, okay, moving average of the MACD, switching to bearish convergence, going for a pullback to where? To the previous broken zone, right? The broken lows, retesting, rejection with many spikes, and on the 1-hour chart, we find the opportunity. My favorite trading opportunities based on divergences. So the waves are synchronized, 4-hour, 1 hour, we got the pullback to the broken area. What else? Okay, what else can you do you really want to do? What we got here is the dark cloud candle pattern, and that's it. The rest is history. This one paid to us. Now, here is a very interesting one I want also to talk about. And look at that, the pound yen sell opportunity. And I want to explain here what was suspicious. This trade failed at the end, but I want to explain all the technical thing and what was suspicious. So look, as I always say, look at the higher time frame to check the analysis, right? So we check the higher time frame on the end. And on the higher time frame, we carry on a massive divergence. Okay, no doubts. We start to break the low, the trend line was broken, retested. It looks like a very good opportunity. So 4 hours is there. And then we go to the 1-hour chart, which is here. Now look what happens here. So we flipped, making lower lows. Zone of interest, the previous high, right? We come to retest it. Correction, histogram divergence. Looks absolutely amazing technically speaking, because all that happened after 3 lower highs, lower lows, which is a bearish momentum. Classical trading opportunity, and yet failed. So first of all, that can happen. That's what I always say. When you are going to enter trades, there will be no guarantee. But what works in your favor, risk reward and probabilities. If you follow this analysis and the proper technique of the waves, the probabilities for you to win are around 70%. Of course, after you master the techniques. With 70% success rate, anything you do with 1-to-1 risk reward would pay you money. But if you do more than 1-to-1 risk reward, it will pay you much more. That's trading, my friends. That's trading. And the moment you start to understand, it's not about being right most of the time. It's not about having the holy grail. It's not about having the best solutions, tools, and what you name it. It's about remembering it's a game of numbers. It's a business of statistics and odds, and that's what you need to control, the numbers in the same technique. So 3 waves retested, failed. What was suspicious here, that despite the several candles going down, it all stuck in one big green candle. You see that? That's a suspicious sign, because the bears don't really take the control. Everything was there and everything looked promising, no doubts. However, it didn't manage to break the huge green candle, the buyer's control, and indeed it failed. So also very important lesson. And the final one is the New Zealand yen, which I want to explain the hidden divergence here. Why did we decide to trade the buy direction? It's actually very simple and yet important. Key in here. So judging based on the daily time frame, we have here a bullish divergence everywhere, moving averages of the MACD and the histogram. Going down to the 4-hour chart, we flipped by making higher highs, 3 higher highs, higher lows to make a trending structure, A, B, C, D correction. You see that, right? With a bullish hidden divergence. And the interesting part, which I love, is the zone of interest. So in the uptrend, the lows are, for many traders, stop losses. Those who buy early, they will put a stop loss here. I love to trade after. That's what I call clearance zone. So it cleaned the low, created here harami pattern, right here, harami pattern. Not the best pattern, technically it's there. Confirm on the 1-hour chart that the correction is ending with this bullish divergence on the histogram as well as on the RSI. And what happens then is a decision. Now, the best part of such cases is the risk reward. So yes, of course, sometimes it will fail, but once it pays you big risk reward. And in our case, where was that? In our case, it's where is this QEN? More than 3%, more than 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So can you make all the winners? Can you have to optimize success rate? No. But again, remember it's that simple. Sometimes people fail to understand it. Anything above 50% success rate of trading with 1-to-1 risk reward, you make money. With more than 1-to-1 risk reward, you make more money. And that's not about being right most of the time or anything like that. It's about doing the same, follow the same techniques, follow the same rules, play the business of numbers. At the moment you start to understand it, that's the moment you actually can see great results in your trading. So that's it for this video. I wanted to cover all the 3. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. I'm here for you. I'm glad to be back and to review our trading. And I hope you also find it useful, educational, and helpful. If you are interested in any of the trading systems and strategies I showed, they are available for you in the description or in the pinned comment section. You can also find it directly in the website. And as I said before, there is an option to get them for free with the brokers program. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I wish you a wonderful trading, of course. And once again, I welcome you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club, and to enjoy from the best of the trading solutions we have to offer you. To join us, the link is below. Thanks for your time. I wish you all the best and good luck in trading. And I'll see you soon with more videos. Bye for now.